Hey everyone, in this video we'll see how to create a successful YouTube channel using AI tools. Now this video is not just about creating a YouTube channel. I'll also show you a method to consistently create videos and to monetize them. Let's begin. Here is the list of steps that we will be following. Let's start with finding a niche for our YouTube channel. We are using ChatGPT to help us find a niche. I'm asking ChatGPT for 100 niche ideas. Before choosing a niche, ask yourself a few questions. Will you be able to consistently create content in this niche? Can you scale and improve the content quality over time? I love storytelling and I wouldn't be bored by it, so I'm choosing this niche. Also, once this channel grows, I'll be able to do sponsored videos for audiobooks, podcasts, mobile apps and so on. Let's set up the channel. I'm starting with the channel name. Again, we are seeking the help of ChatGPT for that. If you're bored with ChatGPT, you can try Bard from Google. Let's start a channel in the chosen name. Let's create a profile picture. For this, I'll be using an AI app called Stable Diffusion. Let's create a scary, mysterious face for the profile picture. You can keep on regenerating the response until you find something interesting. Now I'm adding it as the profile picture for the channel. For creating the banner image, you can either use Canva or PicMaker. I'm going with PicMaker. Once you sign up on the website, you will reach the dashboard of the application. Here you can see the options to create projects of different dimensions. If we scroll right, we can see the option to create a YouTube banner. Let's select a template and edit it. Let's change the copy to match our channel's content. To edit the design, we are using the option called MAD. This is an AI-powered feature which will give you a new design with every single click. I like this design. Let's download it and add it to the YouTube channel. Again, I'm using ChatGPT for writing the bio for the YouTube channel. Let's make it shorter and crisp. So the channel branding is done. It's time to create the video. The first step of creating videos is to generate the ideas. I'm asking ChatGPT for 10 horror story one-liners. Let's ask ChatGPT to create a video script for the fifth idea in the narration format. There are two advantages in the narration format. One is you don't have to show your face or record any videos. The second advantage is you will get the description for the visuals, which you can later use to create AI-generated images. As I am going to create a shorts video, let's convert this into a 1-minute script. It's time to create the voiceover track. For creating the voiceover track, I'm using an AI tool called Animaker Voice. Create a new blank project. It's a simple tool with plenty of voice options. Let's copy and paste the text. On the right hand side, we have a few options to select. Select the gender of the voice. Next, we have to select the language. Let's go with the US English. Next, we have to select a voice. Let's preview the audio.
Deep within an ancient forest lies a place of darkness and mystery. Sarah, drawn by curiosity, steps into the foreboding forest, unaware of the horrors that await her. The forest a gateway to.
You can do a few more changes to the voice. You can control the speed, pitch, and volume. You can also add break and breathing effects between the words. Here is an advanced AI option that makes the voice natural in a single click.
Deep within an ancient forest lies a place of darkness and mystery. Sarah, drawn by curiosity.
Download the audio from here. Let's generate some images to add as visuals for the video. For that, again we are using Stable Diffusion. I am using the description from the ChatGPT to generate the visuals. I am generating the visuals for the rest of the script using the same method. Let's keep these images in a separate folder. Let's begin to edit the video. For editing the video, we are going to use Animaker. Animaker is an easy-to-use video creation tool. Once you sign up on the website, you will be taken to the dashboard of the application. From here, select the following options to create a new blank video project. The app is pretty simple to understand. The center part is the workspace where we will be creating the video. On the right-hand side is the scenes section. You can consider each scene as a single video clip. So multiple scenes together will form the final video. On the bottom is the timeline, using which we'll be creating and editing this video. The timeline is further divided into two parts. We'll learn more about the timeline in the later part of this video. On the left-hand side is the library, which has all the elements like images, videos, and music tracks, which we can use to create this video. Let's start with uploading the voiceover track and the images into the app. Now click on the uploaded voiceover to add it to the timeline. Right now we can see that the voiceover is around 10 seconds. It is because the duration of the current scene is 10 seconds. We can drag and extend the voiceover track once we increase the duration of the scene using these plus and minus options over here on the scene timeline. Or you can extend the voiceover after adding a new scene on the scene section. For the visuals, apart from the AI generated images, we'll also need some stock videos. Animaker is integrated with many free stock video websites, so that you don't have to search the internet to find the clips. You can find the free stock clips under the More section of the library. Animaker also has a section of Pay and Use premium clips. You can use them if you have the budget for high quality clips. For now, I'm using the free clips. Let's add a clip that matches the voiceover.
Deep within an ancient forest lies a place of darkness and mystery.
You can find the editing options over here. Let's edit the duration of the clip. Let's add an image that we uploaded. For that, I'm creating a new scene. Do a right click over the image and select the option Set as Background. Let me reduce the extra duration on this scene. Let's add a zoom effect to the scene. Select the camera timeline present over here and select the zoom option. Now adjust the frame of the camera present over the scene and apply. Let's preview and see how it looks.
Sarah, drawn by curiosity, steps into.
Similarly, I'm going to add stock videos and images for the rest of the voiceover and complete the video. I have completed the video. As the last step, let's add a music track. Keep the pointer over a track to preview it. Click on a track to add it to the timeline. Let's reduce the volume of the track so that it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Are you excited to see how it looks? Click on the preview option over here to preview the entire project.
Deep within an ancient forest lies a place of darkness and mystery. Sarah, drawn by curiosity, steps into the foreboding forest, unaware of the horrors that await her. The forest, a gateway to a sinister dimension, feeds off fear and ensnares those who dare to enter. Sarah stumbles upon an ancient structure, a gateway to the heart of the forest's darkness. Inside the chamber, she discovers the truth, a portal to a realm where nightmares reign. Armed with her courage and the light of her camera, she battles the embodiment of the forest's twisted power. Her flash disrupts the darkness, weakening its grip on Sarah's soul. Sarah emerges from the forest, forever changed by her harrowing encounter with the mysterious forest. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel.
Select the following options to render your video. It'll take a few minutes before the video becomes ready for download. Now get back to the dashboard and select the Manage Exports option. Now you can view all the previously rendered videos. Here is our video. You can download the video from here. Let's see how you can auto-generate subtitles for the created video. To add the subtitles to the video, click on the Add Subtitles option. Now select the Auto Subtitle option. Subtitles will be added to the video automatically. We can further edit and customize the subtitles using the options over here. You have the options to change the font size, style, etc. over here. I am trying out different subtitle styles.
Deep within an ancient forest lies a place of darkness and mystery. Sarah, drawn by curiosity.
Click on the following options to download the video. Finally, we are going to upload the video on YouTube. For the title, I am using the one generated by ChatGPT earlier. We have successfully published the video. Using this method, you can continuously create videos and build a monetizable channel. I've added links to all the tools mentioned in the video in the description. So what are you waiting for? Go on and start your YouTube journey now. If you found this video useful, leave a like. And for more content like this, subscribe to our channel.